Hello everyone, welcome to TeamLabs channel, and today in this short video I'll show you how to fix Valorant crash issue, and also I'll show you how to fix lag in AMD GPU. So before starting video, if you are new in this channel, hit subscribe button and also watch complete video and follow every single step. So hope so this will fix your lag and also fix crash issue. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then hit like button and also don't forget to subscribe to TeamLabs channel. Thank you for watching.